device autopilot process. Okay, so basically you need to have that device already registered in your Azure Active Directory. Sorry, that device is already registered in the Windows Autopilot, for the Windows Autopilot. And when you go here, devices, then you click on the Windows and then go to the Windows enrollment and then click on the devices, and you can see my virtual machine is currently registered for the autopilot device. Okay, Windows Autopilot. So now, and when you go to the devices and all devices, you will see there is no devices enrolled as of now, right? So now I will show you how the device enrollment process going to look in the by like end user, how they will see. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start my virtual machine, and let me drag this to my another screen. Okay, perfect. Where is that machine? Yeah, see, I have, now you can see this is my virtual machine. It's started, and this virtual machine is already registered for the device autopilot, Windows Autopilot. So just it's basically, it will check the network if this machine is connected with the Ethernet, so it's not going to ask me in network internet thing. But if you connected any machine with the Wi-Fi and you don't have Ethernet cable, then Ethernet, then you need to put the username and password for the Wi-Fi and connect that machine to the internet, and then you will see the same thing here. Okay, so this is the thing is going to happen, and you will see the different way to log in. Not a different way, same username and password is required, but the interface is little bit different. Previously, if you know, in my last video, the second video of this series, I have shown you I'll just drag this my YouTube channel page. Yep. Okay, go here. Yeah, if you know this was the two options you were getting when your device is not registered for the autopilot. Okay, so you were getting this setup for personal use and setup for your organization, and I ask you to choose this setup for organization. So through this method, setup for organization, device will be enrolled properly. And if you go with the first option, personal use, it will create a local account. That is only the difference here. Okay, but now this device is already registered for the device autopilot, now the option is different. Now you can see you don't get that used to personal device, and that option, it is not here. Okay, so you need to register device with your company ID. So I'm going to put company ID, that is my user Johnny S, I guess. See, firstsecurity.com. I hope it is right. Perfect. And then password is super complex password, and this device is started enrollment process. See, I just wanted to show that, see the difference between these two processes, and then it will take on the same page where essentially it's going to take some time to. Now this device is, I'll show you the backend. It's what is going to happen. Go to the device and enrollment. Now it will check that device when you log in. It's already checked that, okay, device is enrolled for device autopilot. Okay, then this process, this deployment profile settings will get apply on that device. Basically all these settings will apply, and then now we are on the process where this enrollment status page you will see, and all these settings will happen, like it will on this page, and all these settings are doing right now. So it's going to check, and right now on this page is in action. So it's basically all the settings that you have configured here in enrollment status page, that settings are applying right now. So you can see that is completed, and the same process is going to happen. Device and all this device will get enrolled properly. Okay, and when you go back to the all devices and all devices, so in a few minutes this device, you can see here no difference, same device overview, and all these applications and everything, settings will be there. Okay, so there is only difference in the login or how you enroll the process. That is only the difference in autopilot and without autopilot. That is only difference. Otherwise, after the enrollment, no difference. Yeah, so this is the small demo from this video, and the next video I will tell you the compliance policy, how you can use the compliance policy for your devices and make your device compliant. So it's this series is going to be very huge. Okay, the number of videos, because it's a very vast topic, and each topic and different combinations we use in a different company as per their requirement. So there is a lot of videos I'm going to create based on this, all these topics and all these settings. So just stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Yeah, thank you, and see you in the next video. Thank you, bye bye.